Welcome back, it's Wednesday. So we reserve Wednesdays for different topics that need to have awareness brought to them. So in the month of March, it's brain injury awareness. So we work with the Brain Injury Association of Rhode Island. We're a sponsor and we do different events with them. What's interesting is they used to refer to brain injuries as TBIs, traumatic brain injury. And along the way, they decided to drop the traumatic. Not that traumatic brain injuries don't occur, but they felt that we were really more focused on helping people and bringing awareness to people and community awareness to traumatic brain injuries. So what's a traumatic brain injury? Well, trauma means that the person suffered a head injury as a result of trauma, and that head injury caused a traumatic brain injury. A brain injury can obviously come, as opposed to trauma, from medical, such as a stroke. So when someone suffers a stroke, it can cause a brain injury, whether that's an aneurysm from a blockage or from a bleed. And the problem with the stroke versus the traumatic brain injury is really the same. Someone can be left with the same medical problems. Why are we bringing awareness to brain injury? So the number one reason is to create a platform for outreach and a platform for education. So outreach is because people who are suffering from brain injuries often don't even realize that they need help. So as a community, we need to recognize the people who are around us, our neighbors, our friends, people who have suffered a brain injury and need people to help them. There's obviously doctors, nurses, neurologists who specialize in outreaching. The Brain Injury Association brings all sorts of unique professionals to people who suffer brain injury. And then of course, awareness. When we look at someone who maybe has a stutter or has a speech problem or has a walking problem, has fine motor skill problems, all of those issues could be as a result of a brain injury. And so instead of looking and wondering, we want to create education and awareness so that we can help people, bring education and help the Brain Injury Association grow and be able to support people in our community. So that's really the purpose behind it. We hope we gave you a little bit of information to create awareness around Brain Injury Association. We thank you for listening, and remember to like, follow, and share. Have a great Wednesday.